We usually try to avoid stressful situations. Today, though, I am deliberately subjecting myself to one in the name of science.
We have literally got you in the hot seat today.
Okay.
I'm being put through a carefully designed stress test while psychologists film me with a thermal camera. Their research has revealed that acute stress can be measured in the temperature of parts of the face. My first experimental task: give an impromptu speech on any topic. Just watch my nose. It's going cold as a reaction to stress, turning blue on the thermal image. And then, the really stressful part.
We're going to ask you to perform an arithmetic task.
Oh, God.
Starting from 2023, can you subtract 17 until you reach 0 as fast and as accurately as possible?
Oh, probably not. At 2023?
Yes.
I'm terrible at mental arithmetic. This is horrible. 2023 minus 17 is... Oh gosh, this is horrible. I can't even think. Okay.
What you can see on my face is a fundamental physical response. When we're suddenly stressed, the nervous system pushes blood flow to the sensory organs, to our eyes and ears, helping us to look and listen for danger. That leaves our noses measurably colder.
What we're trying to do with this work is establish what are healthy ranges of change. So how much should you dip? You know, how cold should your nose get when you're stressed, and how long should it take you to recover? Once we understand that better, then we can start saying, okay, this is outside the healthy range. We think that this is associated maybe with poor mental well-being.